Hello, I am Caleb from Caleb's Balloon Animals, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a parrot. You make the parrots a lot of different ways. I'm going from a different place. Now this is on my webcam. If the audio is not as good, I can go back to the other, but I think it's easier because then I can see what I'm doing. Anyways, in my family room, TV, PlayStation, all that stuff's in here. I'm usually doing this in my bedroom, but I'm in a different place today. We're going to see how well it works out. Alright, so back to the balloon. It's a parrot. You can make parrots, different colors, different shapes, different sizes, all that stuff, wherever you want. Today I'm using tropical teal. Other uses for tropical teal are aliens. When you buy the alien head assortment, tropical teal is one of the colors. If you buy that, make sure you have colors for all those balloons. Another use for it. Alright, so that's number one. Number two, Parrot the platypus. Parrot the platypus is teal, therefore you need teal balloons. And use number three, this. I'm sure there's more. If you use tropical teal for something else, besides just like a snake or anything that you just do one color, something that's like kind of special at all, leave it in the comments below, that way I can get some ideas. Because right now I'm literally using this for three things and then occasionally snakes. But anyways, back to this. Okay, so we're going to leave about 5 fingers uninflated on this balloon, and then we're going to fill it up. Alright? So there's different ways to mouth inflate. For this one we want to make sure we stretch it as we do it, because we want to elongate the balloon, right? So if you just fill it up like how I said that I usually fill it up, just like this, it doesn't stretch the balloon as well as you're filling it. So if you fill it up that way, or if you fill it up with a pump, make sure you stretch it afterwards. If we stretch it while we're inflating, we don't have to do that step. So, alright, so by stretching it as I'm going, it really just makes a longer balloon. Okay, 5 fingers, 4, and what? Ish. Okay, now to start this off, we're going to start it off with 3 ear twists right at the beginning. Alright, this is going to make the top of the head, just like that. Now we're going to make a saw, 4 finger bubble, 1 inch bubble, ear twist that, come back up, and then back down one more time into that ear twist. And now you've created the head of your parrot. Congratulations. You should have 2 fingers left on the balloon at this point. Alright? So right now it's kind of leaning like this. What happens when we attach the beak, it's going to push this down, and you'll get it like this, like we want. Okay? But for now we don't care. But we're going to go ahead and finish this balloon off. So we twist as long as we want the body. I usually do about 2 hands, somewhere in there. Alright, 3 1-inch bubbles. Going to be the tail. We're going to come back. Sorry. If you run this through there, it'll lock it in place and you won't have that issue. Alright, we're going to... Okay, that's it. Now, once you finish that, one of my balloons is leaking. As you can see, that happens every once in a while. I'm going to pull them to assess this. I would normally pop it off. So I'm going to pull it down. And wrap this tail around you really good. And hopefully I'll localize that off. Or else I've just lost the parrot. So I think I saved it. It's definitely leaking air a lot. So I'm just going to push this up here a bunch. Hopefully I saved it. Okay. But this one here is definitely lost all of its air. So we're hoping we can save this creation. Otherwise, if that happens to you, it's not a big deal. Just take another balloon and fix it. But I don't have another balloon with me. So I'll have to pause the video, go get it, and then come back. I don't want to have to do that. Anyways, you basically got this. Next thing I like to create is the beak, so set that down. Get an orange balloon, goldenrod balloon, yellow balloon, mandarin orange balloon, whatever color balloon you want. I like orange. Just regular orange. I'm not a fan of crystal colors, so if you are, use that, whatever, I don't care. I'm not. I use regular orange. You can get it in the Carnival assortment if you're the fan of assortments, otherwise just buy it in the pack of 100. Anyways, we're going to inflate this some. Enough. 6 fingers somewhere. I don't know. Enough. Right? I did that slowly so that I could think about as much as I was going to fill it up. Right? I filled it up 5, 6, 7 fingers somewhere in there. This much. Okay? You don't need a lot. But what you do need is orange balloons are especially susceptible to popping. I've noticed that every time. It's not just the one bag. Normally, if it's one bag that I have trouble with, I just assume it's that bag. I've consistently had trouble with oranges popping a lot. I don't know why. It happens worse with the clear ones. I guess orange is just evil. Anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to make 2 small loop twists. Oops. Alright, don't let go of your loop twist. Alright, 1 small loop twist. 2 small loop twists. Alright. Now we're going to take this, and using that knot, I made a long knot. Okay. Using this knot, I'm going to wrap it into the head. And then just kind of hide it. Alright. Now I've got this. I twist this is for the, let me just hit this at the bottom, like a short bubble. Then make a soft bubble about 2 to 3 times the length of that shorter one. And keep that in around the head. Break it off. Okay, we're going to save this balloon. Right. So I guess I told you guys about right. Yeah, that's exactly what I need. So when you tie it off, you want to save about 1 to 2 fingers here at the end. So you're going to use to reconnect. Anyways, back to this. Arrange everything. Got your little parrot. With something like this. Okay, it would be better if these two were more even and had that knot like there. It would be the case. Alright. At this point, I do this differently every time. I'm going to attach my, I guess, whatever you call their feet, claws, whatever they are. Anyways, I'm going to make those now. I'm going to do a small, maybe 3/4 inch bubble. You twist that. 4 finger bubble, another 4 finger bubble. Bring that back. Tie that on into the ear twist. Make sure you get this all. Whoops. Wow. Make sure you get this all locked in place and everything. Don't undo, you're locking it into place. Like I just did, embarrassingly. I apologize for the squeaking. Alright, so now we've got it like this. So feet, given the rest of this, will not be late. You want to just bite a hole in it, or cut scissors, or finger down clippers, or whatever you do. I just put that with my teeth. Then I would put them in your mouth. Okay. I just take this again. Now, normally I would say attach it the right way. But on this one, when you get attaching extras down into this, you really want to have some extra space in here to work. So what we've got now is, I guess, in theory, you could call this guy a parrot. I would never call this guy a parrot. But if you wanted to, you could be done. I wouldn't be, okay? I'd be embarrassed if this was what I gave to a kid. Now, this should be even, not lopsided. I can't show you how to fix that. The way to fix that is take a whole new balloon, but I don't have another one out here with me. Anyways, we're going to now make the belly. Right, bellies can be a lot of different colors. Today I'm thinking I'm going to make a white belly with pink highlights. So I'm going to take a white 260, inflate that about halfway or so. Doesn't matter. Alright. I'm going to, how do I want to do this today? I'm going to attach it in here at the feet. Make sure you attach it solidly by the knot, not by the tail. Okay, so we're going to make this soft. Let's see, as long as the body is, or a little shorter, so it stretches a bit. And twist that around. There's that belly. Bring this up. And we're going to use the white balloon also for the eyes. The eyes for this guy are made really, really soft. 2 finger bubbles that you can take and stretch up to the top. And you do another really soft 2 finger bubble. And you really want to pull it on down back to the same place as where the other one was. So if you end up with here, hold on. Okay, so you end up with this 2 teardrop shaped eyes. I'll get rid of this white one. Save your white scraps. To be honest, for this balloon, I could have used a scrap of white to do that. Right, so now I've got that. This right here, I honestly would probably be okay with giving this one to a kid. Like I said, he's a bit deformed because of this shorter bubble here at the back. They really need to be the same, but I would be okay with giving this to a kid at this point if he's really happy or if I'm in a busy line. You know, I wouldn't make him wait for this. Okay, he's good like this, but we're gonna make him better. I'm gonna take a pink 160, inflate it some, enough to go up and down across the body. Alright, pink 160. Take that, attach it into his head, bring it down, twist that into the feet area, put that back up into the head, take off the extra, tuck that pink balloon in somewhere that will be hidden. Alright. So now what we've got this guy here, kind of with tropical teal. You can't see him, but normally it would be flushed out. It wasn't flat. Alright. But what we can do now is that's one color. We got white and we got pink. Okay. So Parrot should be setting that he sees you better and his feet should be forward. So he's like this at this point. Okay. But we can make him better. So I think this is a robin's egg blue. I'm going to inflate it like I did the pink one, and we're going to do outside the pink one, so it's another layer. Alright. Yep, that's robin's egg blue. Told you right. Yeah. Alright. So really, it's whatever colors you want. I know a lot of artists don't carry around a whole lot of 160s. They don't see them as useful. I have to say, I kind of agree with them. At a children's birthday party, where the primary focus is people under the age of about 14, yeah, don't carry 160 because that's all you ever do. Kids don't care about tiny balloons at an interest, right? So just straighten up his eyes, make him look good, and using an expo, finish him off. This is more or less how I make parrots. Okay? So what I've got here is I've got my white, my pink, robin's egg blue, and then in the back, tropical teal. His head is teal, eyes white. Okay, so this is a very... Bullseye! Stop it. Sorry, I'm yelling at my dog. My dog's name is Bullseye. She's a white boxer. She's now right here. She was chewing on stuff she's not supposed to be. Anyways. Right, so I've got my eyes here. This is a very wasteful balloon, like I said. If I know I'm making a bunch of these, when I pop the pink and the blue and the white, I save those. I mean, it really does use all the orange. It uses all the tropical teal. But I can get about 3 parrots out of the white and 2 out of the blue and pink. So don't be wasteful with your balloons. Sharpie art, I didn't bring an expo with me, but there is a Sharpie on the table. Don't draw on your balloons with Sharpies. Hold on. Aha! Don't use Sharpies. Don't do what I'm about to do. Okay? Use dry erase markers. They are better. Anyways, put it on the sky. I'm going to draw a little circle for both of the eyes. So it looks like that. Now I'm going to take those little circles and I'm going to make a bigger circle around them. Well, not really a circle around them. I'm making more of an oval around them. So now his eyes are like this. I can't do, alright, they're uneven. And I fill in the bigger circle. Again, using a dry erase marker. Today this is Sharpie. Don't do what I'm doing. Use dry erase. Now it looks like this. Okay, if you can't draw evenly, you can kind of manipulate his eyes and make them look more even. In theory. I don't know how well it actually works. I feel that it looks better now. Anyways, okay, so we just draw some little eyebrows. The Sharpie doesn't work very well even. Okay. And then, I mean, that's all I would normally do on a parrot. Okay.